Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can upload fonts to Canva. To find fonts you can Google, just basically there are a lot of free sites and one of them is 1001 fonts, and when you want to look for a font just make sure that you have the right licensing type. This one is, for example, free for commercial use, so always pay attention to that one. I think this one works quite good, so I'm going to download that. Once it is downloaded, you have to make sure that you move the files out of the zip file. So for the Mac, just double click on it and then the file will get unzipped and you have the TTF and the licensing text file. Upload fonts in Canva, you have to have a pro account, but if you're on the basic plan you can also maybe try the pro account for 30 days if you have one special project in mind. If you are in a design, you can put a text box, and when you then click on font on top here, then this window here opens and you have the option to upload a font down here. Just click on it and find the font and select upload, and then you have to confirm that you have the rights to use the font. So then when you have the text, you can just write Vibes Regular was the font I uploaded, and there you have it. The font is good and you can use it in your designs. It's the first way to upload fonts. Another way is also to go back to the Canva home screen and then you can click on brand, and here you have a lot of options and one of them is also fonts. You can click on that and then click on add to category. And here you have also the option to upload a font. Just again, like before, select the font file you have, click on upload, confirm again that you have the rights to upload it, and now it's also here and you can use it in your designs. So there are two ways to upload a font. The only problem is that you have to have a pro account, but if it's only for a few projects you might consider to have a pro account for a limited time, or you can use the free trial period of Canva to finish the projects with the special fonts you like. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, just put them in the comments, and see you in the next video.